Lisan here. Thank you for stopping by, and please stay tuned with me, okay? You know, I'm here for you guys. Today I'm in my kitchen. Like, I'm in my kitchen. Yesterday night I did not really sleep comfortably because my mind has been in this kitchen. You need to see how messy English. You need to see how my kitchen is. Look at this one. Just imagine. Look at it. You need to see how my kitchen looks like. Today is Monday. Saturday, Sunday was so busy for me. So all I did was to do the ones I could. And yesterday, being Sunday, guys, I cooked. After when I came back from church, I cooked. So how many dishes yesterday? Look at him. He's crying because of this. Oh yeah, guys, what I was saying there. Yesterday, what I was telling you guys, yesterday was so busy for me. I cooked. At the end of the day, I got tired that I couldn't do any other thing. I have to pack my kitchen, leave everything, even the things I wash. Just let me show you. Let me show you guys my kitchen. First of all, look at my fridge. Top of the fridge. Look at how it is. Just look at this place. Just take your time and look at this kitchen. Look at this kitchen. Look at this. Like, who does that? Who does that? Who is that? Just look at this. I want to take my time and fix everything. So guys, let me go into action. At the process of doing it, when the school runs comes, I will rush for school runs. Guys, if I name draw is like what they are doing is not easy. It's not easy. Guys, you like my hair? You like my hair? Like my hair? Past one school runs, so I will rush for school runs. When I come back, I start from where I stopped.
Mommy, I the ball neck where would definitely I trying not on the ball.
So guys, I'm back from school runs. I want to start from where I stopped. I'm very, very hungry. I will first eat, then know what else to do in this kitchen. To be sincere, this kitchen is something else. The weather outside, the weather outside. Seriously, the weather outside is something that's very cold, very confusing weather. It was raining at the same time. Everywhere was just freezing. All of a sudden, everywhere became bright, sunny, you know, that kind of a thing. Oh God, we are just frozen, but it's fine. I'm back now to continue from where I stopped. Look at me. I don't even know what happened to me. Would I say I didn't wake up early in the morning? I don't know. Yeah, I didn't wake up. I woke up early, but I was busy in the room. I left my room around 11 to go look for something. I didn't mean I know in the morning I would have used it to clean this kitchen. Then now that I'm back from school, the next thing would have been to make dinner. Due to the weather is cold, I will still make dinner. I will make yam pepper soup while I tidy up everything. So guys, stay tuned with me. Dominion, please don't start it. Hello? No. When looking at this kitchen, it looks as if there is no work. There's a lot of work. Honey, if I will, what do you call that to? I'm not call that to 6. Guys, the process of arranging how became he's hungry. I wanted to make pepper soup, yam pepper soup, because the weather is very cold, but he's hungry. I have to make another thing. At least I really achieved what I wanted to achieve. My kitchen is very free like air. The only thing remaining is for me to go clean my fridge, but I will just wash the fridge compartment. Then tomorrow I take my time and fix everything. I'm not gonna pack everything on my hair. Then take care of this floor, like sweep and mop. That is it, guys. I think I need to go now. I need to go. I'm so happy I've achieved something. This night, I will take my time and sleep and enjoy my sleep. All through last night, in the middle of the night, when I woke up, I remember my kitchen. Geez, you didn't fix it well, like, because I like my kitchen is part of my night routine. Kitchen and the living room. After everything, I fix my kitchen, pack the dishes in the dishwasher, go to the living room, fix everywhere. But yesterday, since Saturday, guys, you will not just believe how my kitchen looked like. But all the same, I've achieved something today. Glory be to God. So thank you guys for watching me. If you've watched to this point and you've not subscribed, please subscribe and also join me on my Facebook. I'm doing something totally different from my Facebook. Bye.